before it was too late. So he just finished a 6-ounce bottle. He likes that now.
Yay!
Cereal.
Uh-huh. Logan, do big bounce. Bounce, bounce. Yay!
And then he's all of a sudden tired of it, right? He just like reaches the point and out.
Yeah, well, that's how he does everything.
But out, like that minute. It's got to be.
Yay!
Happy jumping. Then get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Go again, big bounces! Big bounces! Whee! Woo! Holy cow, you're still going. You're going to bounce yourself into oblivion.
And I think he starts to get upset a little bit, like a kid. Stop.